It's a random Tuesday evening in Fort Lauderdale at the end of March, so spring break is still in full effect, but I'm hoping to find a quiet spot on the beach that me and Freddie here can go to and just hang out, pop a beach chair open, and enjoy the sunset. And I wanted to bring you guys with us. So let's go see if we can find a spot. So as you guys can see, we found a little bit more calm part of the beach. It's a little bit north of Las Olas Boulevard. You probably saw me turn off of Las Olas and start heading north on A1A. Yeah, there's hardly anybody out here. Weather is absolutely amazing. And we're just chilling, having a good night. I'll show you guys the sky as the colors start changing here in just a little bit. Freddie. Really?